how to apply this kind of cinematic transaction inside Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have an eye of a woman and I have another clip of a boat. So first we have to use masking trick for just cut out the eyeballs, as you can see. So for that we have to cut a clip from the eye and just give a freeze frame of that frame here. So I'm just freezing the frame there, and now we have to mask the eyeball. So the black part of the eyeball, we have to mask that. For that, click on the footage and then select effect control. So in the opacity section, as you can see, I can just click on the circle and go for the masking. So to mask greatly, I'm just zooming the thing here. Just wanna see that how it's positioning well or not. So I'm just bringing the layer upside the real layer. So I'm just starting masking here with the shape, as you can see. So just add a bit of feather and then move it to his place and just invert the mask. So after inverting the mask, you can bring the layer that you want below the layer. Okay, so after that, as you can see, we have already just did that thing. So now we have to nest the clip with the mask. So just right click on the thing. Okay, just mask with the nest. So after that, you have to do that scale up animation here. So for that, you have to drag and drop transform effect. So after that, you have to add a keyframe here. No, before adding that keyframe, I'm gonna just adjust the anchor point here. So as you can see, I've just zoomed and just matched those two anchor points with each other. So for that, we have just done it. Okay, so now we're gonna add the keyframes here. So just apply the keyframes in the first and then just zoom in. Don't zoom more than 600 or your Premiere Pro will be crashed. So we are just zoomed that thing and fix the position of it. Now as you can see, I'm just fixing the position of the eye. Now I'm just adding the ease in and ease out thing. So now as you can see, okay, our transaction is so good here. So our scaling things has been decorated. Now we have to add the shutter angle just for some blur effect. So for that, we just increased it to 360, as you can see, and uncheck that box here. Then we have to nest the thing again to scale the thing. We have scaled that in 600 and now we have to do it again to just pop the black skin with the eye. Okay, so now you have to scale it again to 600 to just match the see the black thing. When we have just moved that layer below it, then we will see the footage that we want to see in the transaction. So as you can see, as I'm scaling up this thing, and we have successfully seen the below layer here. So after rendering, as you can see, we have that effect what we wanted. So this was a simple tutorial how to add this kind of cinematic effect transaction in Premiere Pro. So this was really easy and really cool thing to do. So inside any kind of cinematic video preview, you can add this kind of premium transactions. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.